Welcome to Fairy Meadows, Pakistan's heavenly paradise. In just a minute, I'll take you on a journey through this enchanting destination, and you'll see why it's a must-visit. Fairy Meadows isn't just a place. It's an experience of a lifetime. Behold the majestic Nanga Parbat, also known as the Killer Mountain, standing tall at 8,126 meters. At night, the meadows come alive with bonfires, creating a magical atmosphere that's perfect for stargazing. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or just seeking tranquility, Fairy Meadows offers something for everyone. Witnessing a sunrise here is a spiritual experience. It's like a symphony of colors painting the sky. The weather at Fairy Meadows can be as unpredictable as life itself, but that's what makes it so alluring.